GM confirmed that the brand new Buick Envista will certainly be available in the United States. It was initially introduced for the Chinese market, however Buick's new high-end crossover will certainly be making its method stateside. As reported by GM Authority, General Motors head of state Mark Roos revealed the Envista's forthcoming arrival at a GM Capitalist Day occasion in November, specifying that it would make a gorgeous addition to the Buick lineup in the US. It will be joining a Buick schedule inhabited totally by SUVs as well as crossovers, along with the upcoming Wildcat EV. No official press set for the North American market Envista has been released as much as this point, yet the Chinese design was introduced in August, and also has been on sale because September. The Buick lineup is much more extensive there, yet it shows up the Envista will sit between the entry-level Encore GX and also the Envision. There may be some differences in between the Chinese and also US variants, however right here's what we understand regarding the Envista that's currently on sale. Power is provided by the 1.5 liters turbocharged 4-cylinder that can be discovered in other existing GM products. It creates 181 horsepower and also 210 pounds-to-foot of torque. The only transmission offered is a constantly variable automated. Exterior styling is a little a departure from the current Buick schedule. The Envista includes the currently virtually ubiquitous sloping coupe-like roof covering located on several new crossovers and SUVs. The basic form appears reminiscent of the Toyota Venza to us, and the headlights aren't as well unlike those of the C8 Corvette if you squint. The Envista will certainly feature Buick's updated logo as well. The inside of the Chinese market Envista includes a 10.3-inch infotainment screen, as well as an additional 10.3-inch display fills in a traditional gauge cluster. The infotainment system is over-the-air upgrade qualified and features Apple CarPlay. We're not particular when we'll see the Envista come to dealerships, however we anticipate it to arrive next year as a 2024 model. Prices is also an enigma, however the Repetition GX and also Envision begin at $27,095 as well as $34,795, so anticipate an MSRP of regarding $30,000.